baking with Azalea. It's been a really long time for a break because I've been doing online learning at home. So we're going to be baking today keto carrot cake. Started. We're going to be using a medium-sized bowl for the wet ingredients. So we're going to be starting with sweetener. You're going to need force. We're going to be using room temperature butter. Be careful because we don't want it to be all squishy. We just need it to be not squashed. Now we're going to be mixing. We need one more butter slice. Okay, since we put the sweetener and the butter, now we're going to be mixing it with butter until it's fluffy. Mixed all of it. It's very fluffy. Now we're going to use 4 eggs. After you do 1 egg, you mix them between each time. One at a time. Now we're going to do our second. This is 1 teaspoon, and then we're going to put vanilla extract. So we're mixing now. We put the teaspoon in, and it's very liquid. It's not foamy anymore like the Now we're going to use a big bowl. Moving on with the dry ingredients. So we're going to be using almond flour. We're going to use 5 of these because 2.5 cups. Okay. Now we're going to be using baking powder. So that would be 2 teaspoons. One. Now we're going to be using 2 teaspoons of cinnamon. The last ingredient is the pretty salt. The last dry ingredient is the pink salt. It's 1/4, so we're going to be using 2. Make sure you mix it very well because we're going to be combining it with the wet ingredients. The easiest way to put your stuff, the dry, we're going to put the dry in the wet. So this is what it looks like after you've been mixing it. Okay, I got my safety gloves, so I won't cut my fingers while I'm grating the carrots for the carrot cake. So we grated our carrots, and we're going to be using 2.5 cups of carrots. And these tiny ones are for my hamster Coco. So we mix up the carrots in our mix. 2.5 cups. And now we're going to be using 2 cups of pecans. We mix up all our mixture, and I grease my pan with coconut oil on my pan. Now we're going to be putting our mixture in our pan. Our mini carrot cakes are in the oven for 350 degrees and 30 minutes. And we're going to be making our cream cheese. I'm using make it. Okay, we mixed it up. It's very fluffy. So we got the same mango fruit, but sweetener, but it's good, but it's powder. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for the flavor. To make it extra fluffy, we're going to be using heavy cream, but 3 teaspoons. It's so fluffy I could die. Just like that, we made homemade strawberry cakes are cold. So now we're going to be putting our top this one. We're going to put the last touch, some pecans, sprinkle it on our cakes. Everywhere, and don't leave some behind. I'm finished with them, and then I push the pecans in, but not too hard so we'll break it. Thank you for joining Baking with Azalea.